Hello friends, once again I am here with my new series of topic Power BI. In this, from now I will cover the topics of Power BI, the visualization tool. Till now we have studied Tableau. Now because we are going to study Power BI because very much companies now asking for Power BI as a visualization tool. Few companies are using Tableau, few are using Power BI. So according to requirement we can study here. First of all, we need to understand what is Power BI. Power BI is a collection of software services, apps and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive and interactive insights. Your data might be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize and discover what's important, and share that with everyone or anyone you want. So, by the definition, we can understand it's a collection of services and various apps that work together to generate insights from the data, and that insight will be of interactive type that anyone can understand this. And Power BI can work on various types of data, Excel, cloud-based, or from data warehouse. We will go in detail how to do, what to do, and we will understand this. So, what are the parts of Power BI that work together? So, Power BI consists of several elements that all work together. Starting with these three are there are three main elements of Power BI: Windows desktop application, known Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop you will install in coming videos. I will show how to install Power BI desktop. An online service known as SaaS, software as a service. It is known as Power BI service. And for mobile apps for Windows and iOS and Android, we use Power BI mobile apps for Windows, for iOS and Android devices. Beyond those three, there are few more features are there. Two of them are Power BI Report Builder. For creating paginated reports to share in the Power BI, we use Power BI Report Builder. And another one is Power BI Report Server, which is an on-premises report server which you can publish your Power BI reports after creating in desktop with your colleagues, with your seniors, with your juniors, according to requirements of the work. So in this course you are going to cover the role of Power BI in the entire data analysis pipeline. This includes its component, essential building blocks and features which simplify a lot of the task involved in transforming raw data into meaningful information or for insights which can then be used to drive business decision. So we can understand Power BI is a tool for data analysis. We can load the data in Power BI and simply we can generate some meaningful insights from that data using Power BI, which is really very helpful for our business decision. So this is the basic introduction of Power BI and the importance of the Power BI. So this is all about in this video. From next video we are going to start some topic of the Power BI. Thank you so much.